Good afternoon, this is Gabriel again. Once again I come up with another video of a craft that I made, a jig actually. It's a crosscut jig. But I've seen a lot of videos where people will make these crosscut jigs, and they normally use a circular saw, either a full-size circular saw like a 7 1/4 or 5 1/2. I decided to do something different. I made one using my Black & Decker matrix with the circular saw attachment. Now I'm going to try it out for the first time and see if this will really work. Now bear with me for a second while I set it up. This is a 3/4 inch board. Let's see. Put it in here. I'm going to grab me a clamp. Let's see. This is not quite long enough. Want to put a clamp on here to make sure it doesn't move. Let's tighten that up a little bit. Just so it won't move. So now I'm going to turn the machine on and see if this actually works. Always have hearing protection. As you can see, folks, it made a perfect score line right on the product that I want on this piece of material, which is 3/4 inch plywood. A perfectly straight cut. It worked exactly the way I wanted it to. Alright. But I did it across the grain. I'm going to go lengthwise on the grain and see how that cut looks. I'm going to set it up once again. Turn the board this way. Alright, I'm going to do this again in a different direction. See here, blow this off, get rid of this. Except for the slight kickback where I positioned the saw, but other than that, it works perfectly. Look at that cut. That is a beautiful cut. There you have it, folks. a crosscut jig using a Black & Decker matrix saw with a circular saw attachment. See you in the next video.